I'm Dr. Kinsey Nelson. I'm a family physician with Essentia Health. Physicians can really have a positive impact in a person's life, often during very vulnerable times. So that's where a lot of my motivation to go into medicine comes from. The long-term relationships you get to develop with your patients. And really not only with the patients themselves, but also the patient's family. I believe very strongly that a person's health is influenced not just by the patient themselves, but the environment they live in that involves their families, that involves their community. So really as a family physician, as a primary care physician, you really have the opportunity to impact both that individual's health, but also see the family environment they live in and the community overall. Hearing their life experiences, hearing their stories, and learning from them. You know, and it can be a person who's lived here their entire life or someone who just moved to this country a week ago. You know, I think as a relatively young physician, my patients have so much that they can teach me. Regardless of what I'm seeing a patient for, I always try to encourage them to really take on an active role in their own health, to really, you know, take ownership of their health. And that can be as it pertains to preventive medicine, you know, eating healthy, being of a healthy weight, all these things. But also with chronic disease management, you know, just to really take ownership of their condition and just really try to motivate them that they have a very big impact in their overall health. I'm a fairly avid runner. I like to run full marathons, half marathons, those sorts of things. I like, you know, biking and playing softball and really just staying physically active. I like to read in my free time, spending time with family.